So this is my luggage one, and this is my second trolley. So that is my check-in bag. I will keep my laptop, documents, and all. Apart from that, that is my cooker, pan, my clothes, and all. I have packed some of my things. Still, I need to pack more. So I have only 2 weeks left. Still, I need to pack more. So now we have seen the checked in luggage one. So let us go to next item, that is toiletries. That is toiletries, clothes, shoe, and other items. So before that, I have written something here, which is the baggage and number and the kilogram. So in check-in baggages, usually airlines allow two numbers, that is two trolleys, two baggages, which is around 23 kilos, and cabin bag, which we can carry along with us, like that one, and we can, and it will be around 7 kilograms only. So I will show you the baggage allowance in different airlines. So is the International Airlines cabbage luggage allowance. I have checked it in the Skyscanner app. So Air India one cabin bag, it should be maximum, it should be 80 kgs, and they have given the dimensions also. So you need to adhere that to those dimensions. So Air Asia we can carry 7 kgs, Air France 12 kgs. So similarly Emirates. So different airlines have different allowance. Allowance in the sense we need to carry maximum this much luggage only as a cabin baggage. Okay, I will share you this in the link, don't worry. Next is the baggage allowance. So this is domestic flights, this is international flights. So international flights like Air India, Emirates, Gulf Airs, Singapore, yeah, they have given the USA and rest of the world, but I think even for UK also it is similar. Like Air India, we need to carry two pieces, which is 23 kgs each, and also the Emirates, we need to carry two pieces, which is 23 kgs each, and rest of the world it will be 30 kgs. And yeah, you can see, right, Singapore Airlines, which is 20 kgs. For British Airways, two pieces and 23 kgs each. Etihad Airways, two pieces, 23 kgs each. So each airlines have different check-in baggage allowance. You need to contact the airlines, or you can even check at the airline websites also. So let us suppose I have opened the Gulf Air website. So in here we are going from Hyderabad to London, which is our economy flex. So let us calculate here. So for economy, we will have two bags up to 23 kilograms, and they have given the dimensions also. Like if you are taking cardboard box, how the dimension should be. If you are taking a regular suitcase or bags, like how it will be, like 76 centimeters height, 51 centimeters width, and 31 centimeters breadth and all. So if you can see my luggage, it is falling under that. So while buying your suitcase or trolleys, please take care of these things, or else it will be a problem for us. So in the website they also mention what are the items not allowed, like irregular shaped baggage, blanket, fabric wrapped baggage. So, and the cabin baggage they have given 6 kilos. So I need to carry 6 kgs only in that. And one more thing, the 23 kgs includes the trolley. So beware of that. And the trolley also should included in that weight. Okay. So this is Gulf Air. For you, I will show you in Air India also. So checked baggage allowance in Air India, domestic, like they have given based on class. So in the international, so traveling to Australia, USA, Canada. So we are traveling to Europe or UK. So let us click here. So if you are traveling to from, if you are traveling to and from UK, and if your origin is India and destination is Europe or UK, in the economy class, we need to carry maximum 2 pieces, which is 23 kilograms each. And if you are going in executive class, we can carry up to 32 kgs. And in some airlines they also give the student allowance, that is in Air India or Gulf Air. You can carry extra 23 kilos trolley. So before doing that, please ask your airlines if they have those discounts or not. Okay, so this is the baggage details. So that is the baggage details. Now let us go to the next baggage, checked in luggage 2. So as I've said, we have toiletries, clothes, and shoes, etc. So toiletries in the sense, the from daily morning to evening, the routines which we use in our daily life. So we need to carry the toothpaste, the toothbrush and cleaner, face creams, face wash, bathing soaps, shaving kit for men and women also, and nail cutters, safety pins, earbuds, mask. Especially in the COVID situation, you need to carry mask as well. We use daily. Makeup kits, especially for girls. I don't know how much it cost, but I kept minimum 2000 allowance for that, and I have even given the rates for these things also. These are like approximate minimum things. It can be more than that or less than that. And like hair comb for both girls and boys, we need hair comb, right? And soap box, shampoo, or conditioners, whatever may be. I have added only few things which are basic and necessary. You can add whatever things you want. So you can add your personal items, whatever things you needed. So apart from toiletries, we have clothes here which are necessary, bed sheets and pillow covers. Please take at least two pillow covers and two bed sheets. It will be sufficient. And towels, carry one or two towels. And after going there, you can buy according to UK weather. Pant and shirts, take at least 3 to 4 pairs, which are sufficient, I think. How many years you will wear only Indian clothing? So please carry 3 to 4 pairs, and after going UK, you can buy there also. After earning in part time or full time. And t-shirts, like full t-shirts, half t-shirts, take 3 pairs each. And shorts, night pants, and traditional wear like kurta pajama, sari, whatever it may be. If you want, please carry it. It's not compulsory and no obligation. If you want to wear them occasionally once or twice in a year, please carry, or else no need. And please carry a good sweater. You can buy after going to UK also, but still for initial days, please carry sweater with you. And hoodies, like these things, it will be useful. So thermals we wear inside the pants or shirts. This will make our body warm, and it will be used in cool weather conditions. So please don't forget to take these. It will be very important. And innerwear, bunions, either boys or girls, whatever maybe, take your things. Like at least take 4 to 6 items. It will be useful. And napkins, handkerchief, one or two is sufficient. So after clothes, we have shoes and other items like important ones. Suit or coat, like we leave for official meetings, presentations, any parties. So if you have budget, please buy that. Like it will be costly only, minimum 5,000 to 10,000. But if you don't want, you can be okay without that. No need. You can even buy after going to UK also. And coming to shoe, carry one formal shoe, one casual shoe, one sports shoe. If you are a sports person, if you are going for walking, running, or any other, you can carry these things. And slippers, usually we don't wear outside, I think. We need slippers only to wear inside for bathroom use or anything. We can use these slippers. Next is jacket. So jacket is very important. I have purchased one from Decathlon. I will show you. So this jacket should be used in warm weather like thermals. So we need to wear it daily, right? When we go outside or we go to part-time work and all, because the weather conditions, like in single digits or even minus degrees also. Please buy one jacket. You can buy after going to UK. Next is socks. You can buy full socks. Usually we wear half socks here, but try to buy full socks so it will cover the good amount of part in our body. Next is gloves. Buy one pair. You can buy after going there also. There will be different varieties of gloves available in UK, I think. And muffler, like the muffler, you can buy one is sufficient. So apart from muffler, if you use belt, you can buy formal or casual belts. If you don't have purse, you can buy purse also. Trolley bags, which are two I have shown you, right? Trolley bags and backpack. So these are the shoe items and other items which are necessary for us to carry. So I have given the approximate cost here. I have purchased few of things, and these are my costs incurred, the trolley bags, backpack and all. So for this I have given the total cost also. So in this I have incurred around 56,000. If you already have these things, no need to buy new one. If you want to buy new things, definitely it will cost you around 40 to 50,000 definitely for for these three items. So we have seen the two items like checked in luggage 1 and checked in luggage 2. So as you know, I'm going on Gulf Air on August 26th. They are providing me 323 kgs of baggage allowance, but still I'm taking only two. So these two are sufficient for me. So I'm taking only two trolley bags. So I think the minimum luggage expenses based on your source of funds, based on your budget, like. So next is the cabin luggage or hand luggage or carry-on luggage, whatever it may be, which is a small bag like that, or it can be a small trolley bag also, which is around 7 to 8 kgs based on your airlines you need to carry.